Welcome back on still our episode of finding or expressing a number into the required partial fraction, and we are doing the last item on as far as type 3 is concerned. So I want you to be very attentive. I told you that whenever you are going to click on this one, you are going to have a math lesson. Always have your notebook, have your pen, have your ruler, sit down and have your calculator nearby, and you isolate from a place which is making noise for you, so that when I put a question like this, before I try to do it, we are moving together, and you may find that you can move faster and maybe faster than me. So let's go. Example 10 goes express 11x all over 2x minus 3 into 2x squared plus 1 in partial fractions. So what I'm going to do is this. We are having 11x all over 2x minus 3 into 2x squared plus 1 is the same as this one is linear. We are going to have a out of 2x minus 3. This one cannot be factorized. We say bx plus 3 all over 2x squared plus 1. So can we find the LCM? We are having 11x all over 2x minus 3 into 2x squared plus 1, which is the same as the LCM is 2x minus 3 into 2x squared plus 1. So we are having a into 2x squared plus 1 plus bx plus c into 2x minus 3. So these ones, they are crossing. We are having 11x equals, we have a into 2x squared plus 1 plus bx plus c into 2x minus 3. So can we go ahead and expand? We are having 2ax squared plus a plus 2bx squared minus 3bx plus 2cx minus 3c. So we go ahead, this is the same as 2a plus 2b x squared, then plus we say negative 3b plus 2c into x, then plus a minus 3c, which is the same as 0x squared plus 11x. So equating monomials of same coefficient, equating. Even you can use the covering up method, but you see which one can easily help you to get something. Equating monomials of same coefficient, So we are starting 2a plus 2b equals 0. If I want to divide it out by a, can call it this is equation 1. So another one is negative 3b plus 2c equals 11. We say this is Roman 2. Another one is a minus 3c equals 0. This is the sum. So these are our equations which you have already extracted. So can we go ahead and we try to solve these ones and see where possible. I said with equation number and divide out by 2 if you see that one is easy for you. So I'm going to deal with equation 1 and 3. What if I say, if I reducing from 1, dividing by 2 on both sides in Roman 1, we are going to have a plus b equals 0. This is my new equation. So I'm going to solve 1 and 3. You can say solving Roman 1 and Roman 3. What is Roman 1 having? What is Roman 1 having is a plus b equals 0. And what is Roman 3 having? Is having a minus 3c equals a 0. Suppose I subtract the 2. I'm going to have b plus 3c equals 0. I call this one equation 4. So you can say I'm dealing with equation 2 and 4. You can say solving equation 2 and 4. So can we solve those two? We have got negative 3b plus 2c equals 11. Then another one is b plus 3c equals 0. What can I do? Can I eliminate c or b? I'm going to put a 1 and here 3. We multiply throughout. Negative 3b plus 2c equals 11. We have got 3b plus 9c equals 0. What if I add the 2? This and this we are getting 11c equals 11. So c alone is 1. So I've got c equals 1. Then we can substitute in any of these equations to obtain the value of b. I can say put c equals 1 in Roman 4. So I've got b plus 3c was equal to 0, where our c is already 1, which is equal to 0. So I've got b plus c equals 0. So b alone equals negative 3. After coming out with b equals negative 3, we are free to substitute in any to get the value of a. You can say in Roman 1, where we had a plus b was equal to 0, so I've got a minus 3 equals 0. It means a equals 3. So after coming out with the value of a equals 3, then we are free to substitute in the required expression to come out with the exact figure which will be expressed in a partial fraction. So this implies that 11x out of x minus 1 equals, where there is a, we are going to bring in that expression, which is 3 out of 2x minus 3 plus, what is the value of b? Our value of b is negative 3x. What about a c? A c is already 1 all over 2x squared plus 1. So which is the same one, 3 out of 2x minus 3 plus 1 minus 3x all over 2x squared plus 1, which is equal to 11x all over 2x minus 3 into 2x squared plus 1. So this is how we can express those equations into partial fractions.